Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to add watercolor effect into image in Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add watercolor effect into a image. Firstly we insert a image in this document. Go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture. Now I choose the picture. Now we can see here we insert a picture in this document. Now we make or add watercolor effect into this image. Click the image and go to the format menu. Then click artistic effect. Then we choose the watercolor effect. Here many effect. Now I find and choose the watercolor effect. This is a watercolor effect. Now I click the watercolor effect. Now we can see here we add watercolor effect into image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.